Have you experienced recurrent pregnancy losses despite conceiving naturally or through fertility treatments? Well, the problem may not always be the embryo alone. Sometimes the answer lies in the uterus itself. And as a fertility specialist, we see so many couples coming to us with history of recurrent pregnancy losses. And apart from the routine evaluation, one of the most important evaluations I consider in such cases is hysteroscopy. So let's understand what is hysteroscopy and how it helps us. So hysteroscopy is a minimally invasive procedure done under general anesthesia. It is a daycare procedure where we put in an endoscope or hysteroscope with an attached camera and light source through the cervix into the uterine cavity that helps us to visualize the uterine cavity from within, the place where the actual implantation has to happen. And why is it important? There are certain uterine conditions such as endometrial polyps, submucosal fibroids, uterine septum, or intrauterine adhesions which may not be detected fully or appreciated always on a routine ultrasound, but these conditions can interfere with the implantation and continuation of pregnancy. Hysteroscopy is considered the gold standard for uterine cavity evaluation, and the best part is that it is both diagnostic as well as therapeutic. That is, if we see any abnormality during the procedure, we can also correct it in most of the cases. Yes, sometimes for difficult cases, we may need to add laparoscopy along with this procedure. So for couples facing recurrent pregnancy losses or recurrent implantation failures, sometimes correcting and optimizing the uterine cavity can be the first step towards improving your reproductive outcomes.